Welcome back to Primetime News. In the business review this week, just after 7 years, local wellness brand Jacana seems to be poised for growth. We visited the farm, which is the heartbeat of the company's operations. Here's Kerry Simpson.
Nestled in a valley in St. Anne is a burgeoning operation with wellness at its center. Locally grown plants processed to perfection to produce top-of-the-line products. It's where the magic happens at Jacana, a company established in 2017. Alexander Chong is the CEO and founder.
Having spent a lot of time abroad for my education, and then later in life I became an entrepreneur and I worked in the tech industry. I always had a desire to return to Jamaica, and I wanted to do something that I believed in.
Her inspiration behind the fastly growing business, her father, Harry Chong.
One of the medicine that we used to use was aloe vera, which we know is the Single Bible. And we rub it on her, and it's really helped her a lot. And then from there she get accustomed to all this bush medicine that we have in Jamaica, you know, and she grew up knowing them.
Out of that experience, this product for sunburn was born. But Jacana is mostly known for its line of medicinal ganja products. It's cultivated on the farm in organic soil and fed with water emanating from a nearby river. The natural sunlight also a plus. Every stage of the growth of the herb treated with care and then processed at the farm.
One of the things we did, which was a significant investment, was to build a GMP, good manufacturing, production center, right, processing center. And so we built it to the spec of EU, the European Union. At the time, there might have been less than 15 of these facilities in the world. We put it up in the middle of this valley very quickly. And really what we do there is we do all the drying, all of the curing, all of the trimming, but we also do all the extraction. So we do everything ourselves at Jacana.
The ganja plant aside, the farm is home to more than 60 medicinal plants.
So for example, our lemongrass balm, which is inspired by, yes, the cannabinoids, the coconut, but also the lemongrass that we've been growing on the farm since the beginning because it's a great insecticide for us. So we grow a lot of lemongrass here at Jacana, and our hero product really is the lemongrass balm. It's phenomenal for pains and aches and muscle injuries or arthritis.
The farm is not only used for production, but there are tours for persons who are interested in how it's all done. The suite of wellness products are found at hotels and Jacana stores locally. With the wellness botanical line now available in the US, the company is also eyeing markets in the UK and the Caribbean.
We are now very much in the growth phase. The first, I would say, 3 years, we didn't make any revenue. We were just focused on growing, learning, and iterating on a great product. Then we commercialized and COVID hit us. So that was hard. And now we've come, really obviously COVID is well beyond us. And we are now at a place where growth is key.
With the Business Review, I'm Kerry Simpson.